Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to choose the right motherboard for your PC build. First, determine your CPU brand and model, Intel or AMD. Then choose a motherboard with the correct CPU socket type. Match the chipset to your performance and feature needs. Now select a form factor, ATX, MATX, ITX based on your case size. Next, check RAM support including type, DDR4/DDR5 and max capacity. Ensure enough PCIe slots for your GPU and other expansion cards. After that, verify storage options like M.2, SATA, and NVMe compatibility. Here, look for rear I/O port and connectivity, USB, LAN, Wi-Fi. Read reviews and check BIOS features for stability and updates. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.